Okay, hi students. So today I will discuss your limit chapter. Okay, today I am taking three questions. All three questions came in IIT exams. Okay. So first question you see, this question came in IIT JEE Mains in 2013. So at first I am going to start to solve question number 1. So see, I am writing the expression at first. See, limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos 2x into 3 plus cos x divided by x into tan 4x. Okay, so see, we all know one formula, that is limit x tends to 0 tan x by x equals to 1. Clear? Okay, so here we can divide 4x and multiply 4x. Clear? Okay. Now see, this part value is 1 because we know the formula that limit x tends to 0 tan x by x equals to 1. So see, limit x tends to 0 1 minus cos 2x. So multiple angles chapter, we know that the formula of 1 minus cos 2x equals to 2 sin square x. So I am writing here 2 sin square x, and it's multiplied by 3 plus cos x, and denominator part is 4 x square. Clear? Okay. Now see, here 2 and 4 will cancel, so we will get half. Half limit x tends to 0. Here, see, this is sin square x and this one is x square. So we can write like that, no? Sin x by x, its whole square. Okay, and into 3 plus cos x. Okay, also we know one more formula, that is limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equals to 1. Clear? Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x equals to 1. That means we can write half into, this value is 1 square means 1, and here we put x equals to 0 as x tends to 0. We know that cos 0 equals to 1. So 3 plus 0, sorry, cos 0 equals to 1. So 3 plus 1. We all know that cos 0 equals to 1. So half into 4 equals to 2. So this is your answer. Okay, if you want, then you can take the screenshot. Okay, now I am going to discuss question number 2. See, question number 2, limit x tends to 0 sin pi into cos square x divided by x square. This problem came in 2014. Okay, see, limit x tends to 0 sine pi, this is cos square x. We know that cos square x equals to 1 minus sine square x. 1 minus sine square x. Okay. Divided by x square. Okay. Now see. So we multiply pi with these things. So limit x tends to 0 sine first bracket pi minus pi sine square x divided by x square. Clear? Okay. We all know one formula, that is sine pi minus x. So sine pi minus x equals to sine pi minus x equals to sine x. Okay. Now see, limit x tends to 0 pi minus x. X means pi sine square x. Okay, so it will come sine pi sine square x divided by x square. Okay, now see, limit x tends to 0 sine pi sine square x divided by, we can write no, pi sine square x into pi sine square x divided by x square. See, suppose we think pi sine square x equals to p. Okay, and x tends to 0, that means p tends to 0. So limit p tends to 0 sine p by p equals to 1. So we can write 1. That means its value is 1. So now pi is constant, so write pi only. Now go to the last part. Last part is sine x tends to 0 sine square x by x square. So sine square x by x square, that means limit x tends to 0 sine x by x, then square we can write. So that must be 1. So your final answer will come pi. See this problem? These problems are not too much tough. You just need that concept. If your concept is clear, then definitely you can solve this type of problem. Okay, now I will start question number 3. But before that, I am telling you some concept. Okay. So the concept is in this question. Suppose limit x tends to a f of x equals to 1 and limit x tends to a phi of x equals to infinity, then limit x tends to a f of x to the power phi x equals to e to the power limit x tends to a phi x into f of x minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now see here in this question f of x equals to 1 plus tan square x. So limit x tends to 0 plus 1 plus tan square x. So we all know that tan 0 equals to 0. That means 1 plus 0, that means 1 will come. So here phi x is 1 by 2x. So limit x tends to 0 plus 1 divided by 2x. So 1 by 0, that means infinity. So infinity. So this condition holds. That means limit x tends to a, f of x equals to 1, and limit x tends to a, phi of x equals to infinity. This condition holds. So why they are writing in question limit x tends to 0 plus? Because here we have to find log p. P is this. We all know that the domain of log x is x greater than 0. In less than x less than 0, that part log x is not defined. That's why they are using log. That's why they are using x tends to 0 plus. Okay. So now see. So here p equals to, we can write, this is the formula limit x tends to a fx to the power phi x. That means we will write these things. So e to the power limit x tends to 0 plus, okay, 0 plus phi x means these things 1 by 2x, and f of x means this part. Okay, so 1 plus tan square x minus 1. Clear? Okay. Now you see limit, e to the power limit x tends to 0 plus 1 by 2x into this one cancel, that means this one tan square x. Clear? Okay. Now see here we will put 0, that means this is the 0 by 0 form, because tan 0 means 0 and 2 into 0, that means 2x, that means 2 into 0, that means also 0. So this is the 0 by 0 form. So how we solve this type of problem? Now using the L'Hospital rule. When we use that L'Hospital rule, 0 by 0 form, infinity by infinity form, 1 to the power infinity form, that time we can use L'Hospital rule. So what is L'Hospital rule? I am telling you. E to the power limit x tends to 0 plus. So L'Hospital rule means you have to differentiate the numerator part and the denominator part. So if we differentiate numerator part, that means we will get 2 tan x, that means tan square x, that means 2 tan x, and derivative of tan x, that means sec square x. So that is sec square x. And divided by denominator part is 2 derivative of 2x, that means 2. So here 2 cancel. So we will get e to the power. Now put x equals to 0, that means 0 into 2, that means 0. 0 into these things 1, that means also 0, because 0 divided by 2, that means e to the power 0. So the final answer is 1. Okay. Okay. Then I think this is not too much hard problem, no? Okay. So if you think that this video lecture is useful for you, then everyone please like, comment, subscribe and share my channel. Okay. So take care and bye-bye.